Uh-huh. Greetings and salutations on this fine October 14th. What is it? Friday, October 14th, 2022. It's it's a beautiful fall day. 73 degrees. I think very much like the last publishing video I did. Anyway, it's picture perfect outside. It's a beautiful day. It looks to be a beautiful weekend, and we got plenty to do. So I know I have to build the stages for biogas purification. So there should be 3 intermediary stages, which I will demonstrate a paper for on the video. So there's going to be a distilled water stage, which is actually the second stage. First stage is a hollow vessel with steel wool in it, and that's to scrub the hydrogen sulfide byproduct of the digestion process. And that gas being stripped of its hydrogen sulfide will proceed into a distilled water jug where it will bubble through some water, and that will scrub some of the carbon dioxide, making carbonic acid. And then through a silica gel, or I think I might just use rice, you know. Anyway, so that's then the final gas will pass through that to scrub the moisture out of the air, and then we should be able to compress it in a gas bottle. I'll put some links to some other YouTubers that have done this sort of thing in the past, who I'm getting guidance and inspiration from. So let's see, I gotta do that, and I gotta perpetuate my sweet medicinal harvest, the lovely divine herb cannabis, God's greatest medicine. Anyway, I need to build a nice little dedicated, isolated greenhouse / grow box. For that, so that I can hopefully prolong growth and harvest and so on and so forth throughout the winter time, without having to use the resources for growing food, which is of course the whole intention of the original greenhouse, and I haven't done a damn thing about it. But I have grown some cabbages and some well, I am growing some cabbages and some cucumbers. We've had some success with blueberries and also strawberries, but and of course rosemary, way over there. But large-scale food production has not ensued because I have not made it a priority, and I need to alter my methods and sort of routines out here so that I can facilitate the growing and perpetuating of my livelihood out here, and further solidify my foundation of freedom and independence with steady food production. I'm not very good at that sort of thing, but I must get better. I will get better. And anyway, so that's another project that needs to be done. Build a grow box, build a filter for this guy. I need to plant some seeds. I need to germinate some seeds. And what's left on this little list? Oh yeah, I gotta replace the I gotta transplant these blueberry bushes here. We'll kind of want to see them up against the fence line back there, which receives some light and a lot of shade, and the blueberries prefer sort of shady environment. Something. Oh, anyway, recording's about to stop, so we'll catch you up later. Peace.